So the youth where him stab, is that done?
Was that done? Him used to collect extortion from the shop them in the community. And quick mother did have a shop.
Why the worst thing can happen in any ghetto community is extortion.
Me can never understand this. You want to rob from the people in the community. That don't make no sense.
So how long Quick did up on the run for?
Almost a year. And you see through him there for day hiding that lick him mother chip, so she pass out.
So that mean him never get forgot funeral then.
At them time the man get mad. The man get everybody we get affiliated to the Dan. Pay man are dead.
Then I saw him did get serious.
A easy cook or easy, you know. Right now, I done that them change him because at one point him just sleep on the black and the dog them, you know, ensure same good.
So what happened to them youth then? All of them dead out?
As far as me know, cause at one point quick a big kerchief usually cover up him face. And then now the man revealing things, so either everybody dead or something about me no know.
Boy, that can't be a good life to live at all.
Well, one thing me can tell you, the power of a woman. A princess make quick actually show him face the realest way, you know.
Yeah? How comes?
She always tell him to put on the badness and take off the kerchief around his face. But him never listen. And then she did meet na this accident. And after, the man just change.
So, had the accident make him change?
I think because him blame himself for your accident.
The only information we have so far is that him after Quick. We don't know if him after King too. Remember, him try after him already. What I do is just ask our people them for watch out on the surveillance camera them, see if them see him anywhere at all. If him pop up anywhere, must just make we know.
So what him look like now? Cause him look like somebody will believe in a disguise.
If him believe in a disguise, the one thing we stand out on him the most is a pair of nerd glasses we always have on.
And them glasses alone. This look like something we always I use. Him shirt tucky and him pants draw way up over his navel. Him walk nerdish, him move Freddy. And that him used to trick people.
Okay. So him figures the people now go pay attention to a nerd. Smart boy.
Bossy, you all heard that about this?
I want to give a joke about that. Dada nearly lose for him 3 points right up at the top of Tonian Road.
How that? What go on?
We plan to set a trap for Ruko. Tonian tell Quick for forward down at the yard. Just to see if Ruko would have followed him. When Quick reach, Tonian notice a figure trailing. When we moved to him, who it was? No Dada?
So that means say, Dada no say Ruko a trail Quick.
Him kinda suspect. Him say him did see somebody look like him on the block, but him just never sure.
Wait there. So you tell me say, him go up and Dada them black.
Yes, sir.
No man. A boy are brave. I want serious dude right deal with you know. So here what we have to go do. We have to go take this serious. We can't go let him loose.
Yeah. I agree with you. But I'm really concerned about what Shepherd say. I go check on Antonia. Where do?
I go back by my black. If anything, I just not know if she good. I go pray this. Cause that youth him slippery. You see me? So right now, me I made him and me I say, if him out there, we just have to try to get him. You see me? As soon as possible.
Yeah. Cause him not look like him have no specific agenda. And that make him dangerous.
Yeah. Cause if I'm a link with Tony and then bombs and just jump off of that and gone personal. I have to watch him. Now move. Just let me know what I'm going to You can put up there, sir.